video, I'm going to show you how cybersecurity works. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate about identifying active network, running network services, create inbounds and outbounds firewalls, and to create a task for daily. So as usual, I'm going to tap on instances. I'm now opening my virtual desk, so I'm going to click on the name, and the machine should be running. So if it was pending, that means that when I connect it won't connect. So I'm connecting it. I'm going to RDP. I'm going to file remote desk. I have downloaded it, it's here. So I'm opening my desktop for the virtual VPN. I'm now connecting. Yeah, I didn't set a password, but I have already saved it here. It's wrong, that's why I saved it here. I have copied it. I have pasted it. It's now connecting. Yeah, it's now connecting. Yeah, it's loading. It's already connected. It's now loading. Still loading. Maybe network. It's taking long. Yeah, it has opened, but the VM is still loading. As you can see, I can't see the search bar, so I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting. It's still loading. Yeah, it has come. So I'm going to open my PowerShell. I'm going to search it here. PowerShell. Still loading. I don't know why. Maybe the issue is about the network. The network is not stable. Alright. I'm going to open it as an administrator so that I can identify all the ports and the connectivity, or the running TCP. It's loading. Yeah. So I'm going to run. I'm going to learn the active ports, so I'm going to type net start space / ano, then press enter. It's now going to show us all the landing ports on these devices, and this list you are seeing is an active ports which are running on this device. They are still learning. They are still learning. Yeah, they are almost done. So I'm going to come up. These are UDP. So I'm going to look for TCP. I think they are up. So I'm scrolling up. I'm scrolling up. I'm scrolling up. I'm still on UDP. I want TCP. Okay, I have reached on to TCP. Okay, as you can see here, the local address is 0.0.0.0 80. Then the foreign address is 0.0. The port is 0. Here the port is 80. Listening. Then the PID is 4. This means that the port is running actively. Now the next port is 389. It's here. So running or listening. That means that the remote desk is also active. Now I selected port 80 because it is commonly used for web server communication over HTTP. Then I selected 3389 port because it is used by remote desk services, allowing remote access to the server. Now I'm going to open the service list. So opening the service list, I will just use this command. Then I type service because I want service task. So I'm going to open service .msc, then enter. Yeah, as you can see, the command I put, it was wrong. I think service, it should be services. So I'm going to type services. MSC, enter. So it has accepted. It's now opening. Just that the network is slow. Yeah, it has opened. Now I'm going to look for the HCP client. That means it's in D. The network is safe, so DHCP. I'm looking for DHCP client. DHCP client is what I'm looking. This service helps the server automatically obtain IP addresses and their information from the network. So I'm still looking for it. The network is slow, but let us push slowly. the network. It's affecting like this. Is here DHP client is here. I have allocated it, so the problem is the network. Okay. As its description says, registers and updates IP addresses and DNS records for this computer. If the service is stopped, this computer will not receive dynamic IP addresses and DNS updates. If this service is disabled, any service that explicitly depends on it will fail to start. Yeah, as I have told you at the first, that DHCP client helps the server automatically obtain IP addresses and their information from the network. So in the service it has stated it. The network is still full. Okay, now we are going to R to remote desktop service. R remote desk services. The network is slow. Okay. It's here, remote desk services. Remote desk services. As you can see, the remote desk service is also running, and this remote desk service will help us to connect and manage the server remotely. So it's running, and then now we are going to create our firewall. So the next step is creating firewall. So I'm going to come to search bar, the network is so, then I type firewall. Yeah, it has already come. Firewall. Shit. The network is not on my side, but we shall go through. So firewall. advanced settings. Now it has come. So here we are going to come in inbound rules. We are going to tap on inbound rules. They are loading. Then from here we are going to come at the left here, and then we come on new roles. Then in new rules, we are going to select port. We want to create inbound rule, so we are going to the port. Then in the port, after selecting the ports, we are going to proceed to the next step. Then to the next step, we are going to choose the TCP. So we are going to leave it on the TCP. Then all local ports, specific local ports. So we are going to leave it at specific local ports. Now from here, we are going to type as we are instructed on the instructions towards 50,000. There are 50,000. So we are going to proceed to the next step. Next step. Yeah. Now let us leave it here. Allow the connection. This includes connection data protected with IPsec. So we proceed to the next step, which is the profile. It's here. We started with role type, then we choose our ports, then our action, then profile. Then profile we shall look domain, private, public. Then we shall just proceed with next. Now we are done with this. We are going to name our port. So our port, we shall name it port 50,000. 50,000. Then we are done with creating the inbound. So we are going to proceed. It's here. Inbound rules. It's here. It's on and it's enabled. So we are going to create outbound rules. We are going to repeat the same procedure as we used in the inbound rules. So outbound rules, we are going to come here on the new rules. We tap on it. We come to the port. We selected the port. Then we proceed. Then we choose. It is 50,000.
You need some small money, guys.
Then we proceed to the next step as we did at the first. We shall allow the connection as we did to the first inbound. Also it's the same. procedure we are using in this outbound rule. Then the profile. So we are going to name it port 50,000. 50,000. Then finish. So they are here. They are here. This is outbound rule. So I can also continue to either to block the connection from here or to enable the connection from here. So I can decide showing you how you can either disable or enable it from here. So here I'm demonstrating how firewalls can be enabled or disabled depending on security requirements. You just double click on it, it will open. Then you can demonstrate, or you can disable it. Now the second procedure is we are going to create a task for our, this is our next task schedule. We are going to schedule our task. Now from here it's opening. Yeah, I'm opening a task schedule. It's just taking long, but I'm opening a task schedule. Yeah, it's here, a task schedule. So from here I'm going to come and create basic task. I tap on it. It's opening. Now it has opened. Now I'm going to name it. I'm going to name it as dash then I'm going to proceed. Let me use a common thing which we all understand. I was using my name, but let me use daily window update check. Daily window update check. Then I proceed then someone can know. Now from here, from trigger, we shall choose daily. It depends on the task, how you want it to be. Either it will update you daily or weekly or monthly or one time, or when the computer starts. Whenever you restart your computer, it's going to restart. So I'm going to use daily. So I'm going to leave it there. Then I proceed. Then here I'm going to choose time. Time. Then choose the current one. The incoming, that is 9. Choosing time. Yeah. So I'm done with time. Then I'm going to choose next.
But what the money?
Now.
Money very one. All I said.
Now I choose next. Then I'm done with setting time. I'm going to what action do you want the task to perform? The task you want to perform, it's a program, so I'm going to leave it on start a program. Then I proceed to the next step. Next step, this is program script. So I'm going to add the program that is USO client. Start scan. Now I'm done. I'm going to proceed. Yes. So now done. This schedule task automatically checks for Windows updates every day, improving system security and patch management. So I'm done to create it, so I'm finishing the procedure. Yeah, I have done to create it. So I conclude that in this video I have successfully identified active network ports, reviewed learning services, created firewall rules for a port 50,000, which I demonstrated it by enabling and disabling in the rules, and created a schedule task for daily updates checks. This assignment indeed helped me better understand cybersecurity controls in Windows Server and how administrators secure system through firewall management and schedule automatically.